Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today I'm going to show you how to put together this cute monster shaker card I made for Halloween. So I'm just going to show you a few things about the card before I get everything cut out, and then I'll show you how to put it together. So number one, I'm going to have a link to Design Space for this project in the description. So you can click on that and it should take you right to it. It is called the Monster Halloween Shaker card. I'm not going to change the name, but our parts of the card, the big purple part, that is the main part of our card. This black part is the front decorative piece. Then you can see there's a gray piece here as well. That is the acetate paper. We've got the purple Monsterific. You could use cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, whatever you want to do the Monsterific. And then these big blobs of color, green, purple, and blue, those go in behind to give each of the monsters a different color. And then there's the cute little eyes as well. I got something different planned for my card, but I wanted to have eyes on here just in case you don't want to do it the same way I do. But I'm going to get this cut out and we'll put it together. Here is everything cut out, so not a lot of pieces, but it can still be a little tricky to get together. So we're going to take our front decorative piece and we're actually going to attach our Monsterific to it first. I've gone with purple glitter iron-on. So if you didn't know, you can put iron-on paper. So get that one on there evenly. The trick to doing this is you use your mini press. So get it where you want it. You want more of a firm surface. I always go with my little pad. And just press and hold. I've got this on level 1. And there, as easy as that, we've got our Monsterific on it. Next step is attaching the acetate paper. Now if you don't know this trick, just grab a bounce sheet, a used one that's gone through the dryer, and you can lightly go on both sides of your acetate paper, and then if there's any static electricity, this will help get rid of it. If there's no static electricity, you don't have to worry about it. Next step is our double-sided foam tape. I'm going to go with this roll here so it's sticky on both sides, and you're pretty much going around your cutouts so your shaker bits don't fall out. So I'm going to get that done. I'll bring you back and you can see what it looks like all done. There is all the double-sided tape on. I have removed the backing as well, so you can see each monster is enclosed, and then I've added a couple smaller ones. That's just to help the colored paper backing to have something to stick to. So let's add our shaker bits. So for that guy there, I've got these dark blue ones. That should look pretty cute. Should be good. And then I did pop over to my local Michael's, and they did have some Halloween-y ones. I know it's hard to see, but this one is I want to say it's bats. Yeah, those are bats. Yeah, they came in a pack of 4 and they're on sale right now. So I was like, well, let's get some. Try your best not to get them on the double-sided tape. Stuck to my finger. There we go. Not the best stopper top, so I'm just going to do it manually. There. That should be good. And then this one is stars and moons with a little bit of purple glitter in there. That should be good. So let's add our colored backings. There, that looks pretty good. Okay, now for the tricky part, getting that onto the front of the card. So this is the front. So we're going to flip it upside down and try our best. So we need to add the eyes on. So the file, I did add eyes to it, but I went out and decided I'm going to put googly eyes on these monsters. So you just use a pair of tweezers, your regular craft glue, figure out where you're going to put them. You don't need a lot of glue on the back. There's one eye. There's a second eye. I'll get the other eyes done and then we'll do the final reveal. I thought I'd quickly show you a couple cards I did make and also put on my profile in Design Space. So this card here is just a cute little pumpkin. I used a free image on this one, so if you don't have Cricut access, this one shouldn't cost you anything to make. Let's get that one out of the way. And then I did this Spooktacular one. So again, I used a free font. For now, it's a free font. The ghost images were free. There's nothing on the inside, but I thought this one turned out really, really cute. The googly eyes definitely make the card that much more better. Okay, let's take a peek at our shaker card. Got little shaker bits everywhere. Okay, let's give it a quick shake so you can see everything moving in there. So I think it's adorable. The only thing I would do different if I make this card again is I would either change the color of the front of the card or I would change the black bats to something else in front of our green monster there. The blue monster and purple monster, they're fine. You can definitely see what they are. Green one's just a little hidden, and I'm sure you can see that on your end. But I think it turned out great. Super happy with the card. So there it is next to our other googly eye card. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.